Here's a quick comparison of the Anova Nano and the Pro versions of their precision sous vide cookers. The Nano uses Bluetooth to connect and is controlled by the app or manually by the buttons on top. The Pro version has an advantage where it uses Wi-Fi to connect, and that makes it so you can view and control your cooker remotely when you're not even at home. The Nano is 750 watts and the Pro is 1200 watts. The Nano has a 5 liter per minute flow time and the Pro has a 12 liter per minute flow time. What the wattage and the flow time difference means is that it is going to heat the water faster with the Pro cooker. You can use the same app on your phone to control each device if you happen to have both. Another difference in these two models is the way that they connect to a container. You see that the Nano has a stationary clamp, which has a small dial on it, but you can't control the height to which it sets into the container depending on the water height. With the Pro model, you actually can adjust the height of this. So depending on your container, you're able to get a more precise fit, which is actually a nice feature to have. The displays are slightly different. The Nano only shows the temperature and then will flash the time. And then the Pro will actually show the target temperature, the actual temperature, and the time remaining. So it has a little bit bigger screen and more details. Let's do a quick speed up test. You can see that I have two 3-quart containers that each have 3 quarts of water in them, and I have a Nano in one, and this is at 78 degrees according to the thermometer, and this is at 79 degrees, so they're within 1 degree of each other. To start, I'm going to set them to 180 degrees. You hold it goes by 2 degrees. We'll go down, and there they go. Let's see how long it takes. Just visually, you can see that the Pro is moving the water much more quickly around in this very small container. You can see it's making much more of a circulation than the Nano. Took 13 minutes and 20 seconds for the Pro to reach 180 degrees and 3 quarts of water. Meanwhile, the Nano is only at 152 degrees. Right, it took 20 minutes for the Nano to get to 180 degrees. The speed test between the Nano and the Pro show that the Pro heated 3 liters or 3 quarts of water up in just 13 minutes, and it took 20 minutes for the Nano. It shows the difference in the speed to heat up some water. Now, we probably wouldn't normally heat it all the way to 180 degrees, but that was just the test. So if speed of heating up water and the circulator power is important, then you want to go with the Pro. And also if Wi-Fi connecting remotely is important to be able to monitor, make sure it's still on, then go with the Pro. But for most people, the Nano is going to be just fine. And they're both great devices. You can't go wrong.